Hi guys, just a quick video on expanding an actual binomial expression using the binomial formula. You always have to do one of these once, term by term, just to write the whole thing out and just to clarify in your mind how the formula works, okay? Enjoy. Cheerio.
Hi guys. All right, let's expand this binomial expression, 2x minus 3 all to the 8. We're just going to use the binomial theorem to do this, and a plus b all to the power of n is the sum from 0 to n of n, choose k, so that's the binomial coefficient there. Some people say nck, a to the k, b to the n minus k. And a and b can be interchanged, of course, because they can be interchanged here. And nk is just n factorial on k factorial, n minus k factorial. So let's go. If you use that formula on this expression, this 2x is going to be the a, and minus 3 is going to be the b. So there's a minus to take care of. I'm going to call the term tk for argument's sake. So 8k, and then 2x to the k, just like in the formula, and bracket minus 3 to the 8 minus k, because 8 is n. Then you take out the minus, so it's minus 1 to the 8 minus k. The 8 doesn't really matter. Minus to an even power is a plus, and that minus just means 1 over. So 1 over minus 1 is still minus 1. So that cleans up the formula a little bit there. So then that means we have the k term is equal to this thing here. So if they ask us for a certain term with a certain power of x, we could just write it down using that formula. Now, for argument's sake, I'm just going to go through all of them because this a beginner might have a bit of trouble with all these. So we're just going to go through all of them so you can practice, okay? So k equals 0, 8 is 0. You put the 0 in, just plonk all the numbers in. 2 to the 0 is 1, minus 1 to the 0 is 1, and x to the 0 is 1. So that just becomes 6561. That's the constant term. K equals 1, so 8c1, 2, 1. Minus 1 to the 1 is minus 1, and so on. So you just plug all the numbers in, calculate a job. Same with 2, plug everything in. I won't go through everything, but you can see what's going on, right? Same with the next ones. And I'll race through these because these are just for the record for you to check for yourself. And then putting it all together, voila. Easy peasy. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like. Have a great day. Cheerio.